everyone, welcome back to my channel. For anyone who is new, my name is Jasmine, and for those of you who are returning subscribers, hello, I miss you so much. I have missed filming YouTube videos for so long, and today's the day. I'm back again, and I love it. So as you can tell, I'm in a bit of a different room. I'm actually downstairs in the living room with my son. He's home with me today, so I'm sorry if you hear any of him. Also, we have a busy street right behind us and it's super hot, so I got the windows open. You're gonna hear some cars, you're gonna hear some annoying stuff. I really apologize. But yeah, today I just wanted to film an old school get ready with me. I will actually insert a picture somewhere in here. I'm literally sitting in front of a big window with my Canon, like the first little tiny camera that I used to film on, with a mirror behind it so that I can see that I'm in focus. And if you see me looking up a lot instead of at the camera, that's because I'm using the mirror that's behind the camera to do my makeup today. So that was a really long intro. I hope I don't piss anybody off or annoy anybody, but I really wanted to film today. And it's pretty difficult with my son to keep him upstairs entertained. I'm gonna go in today with the Beauty Blender. This is the Bounce foundation. This is the color 3.20. I don't think this is the greatest foundation ever, and honestly, I hate the packaging. I hate that when you pump it, it pumps down. Actually, the first 1 or 2 times that you pump it, it sprays out instead of down, so I find this really annoying. I'm also somebody who likes to keep my stuff very clean, so this is not okay. And the issue with this really too is all the foundation sticks in this little hole right here, so it ends up just being more of a mess than anything else. This color is a little bit too light for me, so what I'm gonna do is mix a darkening drop. This is the Catrice Prime and Fine Darkening Makeup Transformer. This stuff is a lifesaver. We've all been there where we bought a foundation that was the wrong shade, and it just sucks when you do that because then you have to go return it, whatever. So all you do is put a couple drops right there. I mean, I guess I do like that you can work right off the back of this thing, but yeah, I don't know. So what in the world is going on with me? First of all, maybe you've noticed, maybe you haven't, if you don't follow me on Instagram, which you totally should. I'm always uploading over there. But if you don't, then you might not know that I got eyelash extensions. I just did this yesterday. I've been thinking about it, but it always kind of made me nervous. I mean, it's your eyelashes, it's your eyes. You don't want to do anything that's going to harm them, you know what I mean? I've seen so many people that I know personally get it done, and everyone who gets it done just absolutely loves them. You know, they always say it's like the best decision and that it's totally worth the money. And just keep in mind that it is a little bit pricey, and it will continue to be pricey if you get them done and then you love them. You have to upkeep them just like with anything else. And in order for them to always look good, you do have to, you know, retouch them or whatever, and it's gonna get pricey. So I'm not too sure like how long I'm going to have them, but I do really love them. I literally got them done last night and I'm just so obsessed. Now if you guys been following me for any amount of time, you know that I am not somebody who wears false lashes, so these are pretty dramatic for me. I absolutely love them, but it's still gonna take some getting used to because they are so just boom, like I love them, but it's definitely different, you know? And for anyone who's interested, you do feel them, and it does kind of feel a little bit heavy on your eyes, and because mine are so long and dramatic, I can feel them touching up here. So if you don't like that kind of stuff, just keep in mind like what to ask for if you're gonna go get yours done. Tell your lash artist, you know, that you want something maybe more natural or whatever, but do some research and make sure that you know how to communicate the look that you're going for. So see, this is the foundation on. It does look really good, and it wears, you know, well throughout the day. So considering the price of this and comparing it to other foundations, I'm just not the biggest fan. I'm gonna go in next with the best foundation ever. This is the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover. It's not that expensive and it's super full coverage. It's nice and thick, but it's not too thick. It blends out like an absolute dream. I mean, it is just amazing. And I've got color number L700 Natural Ivy. I'm just gonna kind of use it right there. And I like to set it right away with my Coty Airspun powder. This is just the original one. I do also have the extra coverage one, and I have a full video on comparing the extra coverage to the regular one. If you're interested, I will link that one down below. Today's going to be a pretty quick makeup look. If you guys don't know, I went back to work a year ago. I stayed home with my son for the first 2 years of his life, which was absolutely amazing. And I wouldn't trade that time for anything in the world. But after 2 years, I was so ready to like get back into the workforce and, you know, make friends and meet people and all of that kind of stuff. And I have loved being back at work. I've loved it so much, but I just went back to the same industry that I know, which is the restaurant industry. So I've been serving again, and I think I've reached that point. I'm sorry I keep covering this, it's so annoying. I hate when people film themselves getting ready and they're just covering their face with the mirror. But yeah, I'm so over the restaurant industry again. I don't want to do it anymore. I really just want to do makeup. So I signed up to do this makeup service where it basically anyone in the San Diego area can get me to go to them to do their makeup. And I'm still very, very new with this particular company. But if anyone is in the San Diego area and would love for me to do their makeup, please, please, please contact me. I will leave in the description bar my email address as well as on the screen right here. You guys can contact me if you need your makeup done. I would absolutely love to do it. Like I said, this is what I love, and I really want to just do that. So I am definitely freelancing. I am looking for clients constantly. I'm available to come to you. I will make it as easy as possible for all of us involved, and I am still building my makeup kit as well. So I've got a ton of stuff I will bring. If there's something in particular that you want me to use, make sure that you have it. And yeah, I mean, I cannot wait to start this. I of course will be doing, you know, all types of before and after pictures once I get this going, but I'm so excited. I just want to do makeup. So this is going to be really, really, really great. Oh, by the way, I use for the down the center of my nose the Kokie Be Bright. This is the illuminating concealer. This stuff is the absolute best. It's so, so good. Now I do only use it down the center of my nose because it is a little bit thicker. And this shade really highlights the center and makes contouring my nose really, really easy. I'm gonna go back in with my sponge and just set everywhere that I used concealer with the Coty Airspun. Those cars are so annoying. I'm so sorry, you guys. But I do live behind a very busy street again. But I absolutely love my house. I'm so obsessed with this house. Moving into a house has been the biggest, the best thing that we could have done. Just for space, you know. I'm gonna go in and set the rest of my face. This is the Marc Jacobs Finish Line number 34 Invisible. It says it's invisible. It definitely got a little bit of a color to it. This is the Coty Airspun, and this is the Marc Jacobs. And I got it in just like one of these mini kit thingies from Sephora, so I haven't used it that much. Normally I use the Cover FX, but I am literally scraping bottom on that. And I've got this guy, I figured why not use it. Something that you cannot do when you're getting your, when you first get your eyelashes done for the first, and they say 24 to 48 hours, which is a pretty big difference. It's either 1 or 2 days, you know. You can't get your eyelashes wet, so you have to be really, really careful of that. This is my foundation on, but it is just my favorite look ever. And these eyelashes, ugh, they make the biggest difference. I'm so happy I did this. So what I'm going to do right now is actually set my face with the Maybelline Lasting Fix. I find that using this after your foundation and powders are on really helps your makeup to last all day long, and then I use a different setting spray later on. So I need to cover my lashes. Hello, do I have to? Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and jump off camera and I'm going to do my brows. I have a full brow tutorial. I will link a couple down below. My most recent one is still what I'm doing, what I'm loving, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I went ahead and did my eyebrows. If you didn't watch my video, I'm still using and loving the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil. And then I go ahead and set that with the Essence Make Me Brow. This has little fibers in it, so it also fills in your brows a little bit more, and it just gives you some color to it. I also went ahead and did a little bit of bronzer and blush with my e.l.f. This is the Total Face Palette. I have a full review on this. This thing is absolutely amazing. It makes you look like you are just fully beaming from within. This bronzer right here is beautiful. There's 2 blushes and a highlight. I am not using that highlight today. It is really pretty, but it's definitely more of that natural, subtle look, and I like, bam, I like a lot of highlight. So I'm actually gonna do that right now. This is the Makeup Revolution. This is one of their quads. I don't know which one it is. There's nothing on the back, but this thing is so beautiful. So I like to mix these 2 like this on a tapered brush, and then I just start to hit the high points of my face. I know that I am losing some sunlight right now, so I'm trying to hurry up a little bit. You can see, like, I'm not even using that much. I just kind of like tap around, and you can just see how freaking beautiful this stuff is. So it is my favorite, and this is kind of like an everyday look for me. So yeah, I also have some powder down my sides of my nose. I still use the Maybelline Fit Me. This is in just the Fair number 10. This is the lightest shade that they have, I do believe, and I use that to really bake the side of my nose, as well as a little bit right here, because this is where I tend to get oily, and I like for my nose to look very structured. So that is that. Very quickly, I'm just going to use my Milani Color Stay. This is the color number 4, All Natural. The Milani lip pencils are so good. I really like the ones where you have to sharpen them. I feel like they work a lot better, and there's something about the formula of this one that is just so perfect and so beautiful. So just quickly line. Okay, and then I'm just going to fill that in with my favorite brown lipstick. This is from Clinique, and my camera is dying, so I need to get this done. And that's it. This is a pretty everyday, typical look for me. I really hope that you guys enjoyed my video. I'm sorry this outro is going to be super quick. I'm afraid my camera's gonna die. I have missed you guys so much. Again, please, if you're in the San Diego area and you were looking for an amazing makeup artist, reach out to me. Again, everything will be listed down below. I hope you enjoyed this kind of old school get ready with me. I miss these, and I loved these, and I still love watching them. So if you have anything that you'd like me to record for you, please leave in the comments down below. Let me know what products you are loving, what your plans are for the holidays, and yeah, if there's a certain product you would like me to review. Thank you guys so much. I miss you to pieces, and I will see you soon. Bye.